Step-by-step process of a building construction. First step is selection of a site. The owner who wants to construct a building will select the site. Without a site, he can't construct a building. Next step is he calls to the engineer or a builder to get his building constructed. Next step is the engineer will come to the site and conduct some surveying operations using the instruments like auto level, dumpy level, theodolite and total station, and some latest equipments are coming nowadays. Then next process is the soil tests are conducted using the plate load test or Sadicon penetration test to find the safe bearing capacity of the soil. Then 2D building plans are prepared by the engineer using AutoCAD softwares. These 2D drawings are prepared by using AutoCAD softwares. Next step is interior and exterior designing. This may be done by using the Revit, 3ds Max and some latest softwares, Enscape, Lumion and some other softwares. After architectural design, structural design will be start and it will be done by Bentley, StatPro and ETABS softwares. StatPro is up to for 50 floor building and ETABS is more than 50 story building. Next step is estimation of a building. Estimation is done using the design details produced by the structural design. The quantity and cost of each item of work and material will be calculated using Excel method and other latest softwares. Execution starts now. In this stage, the column markings are drawn on the ground using the lime powder as per the dimensions given in the design details, using lime powder and a thread and a tape. The markings will be drawn, then the excavation will be started. If it is isolated footing, the excavation will be like this. Excavators will excavate. As per the bar bending schedule, the steel reinforcement mesh is prepared and inserted in that excavated pit. See, this is the footing. After footings, plinth beam work will be start. These are the plinth beams which distribute the load from the columns to the footings. See, the columns are also laid. The steel reinforcement is appearing to you. Then the columns will be laid. Curing will be done to the plinth beams and the columns to get good strength. Next step is arrangement of formwork for the roof beams and slab. These are prepared just like a molds to pour the concrete and support it until it becomes self-supported. Next step is placing of steel reinforcement as per the bar bending schedule. Then concrete is poured on that arrangements. Concreting is done using RMC, which is plant mix, and normal method, which is site mix. Compacting is done to remove the air voids using needle vibrators or other external vibrators. Next step is curing. It will be started after the hardening of the concrete for the hydration of cement process. To get the desired strength and safe strength, curing should be done compulsory 28 days. Then as per the tradition, the doors are fixed in the presence of the priest and the owner. Then the wall will be constructed. After the wall construction, plastering work will be started and finish it properly. Then final work is painting for good appearance. Last step is the engineer or builder call the owner for his payment.